Welcome to Automating Everything I Can. Since N8N is one of the most used tools for automation, I will show you in this video how to install it using Docker Desktop. The process is very straightforward and easy to follow. First, download Docker Desktop based on your operating system. Please check the description of this video to get the exact URL. Click on this button and choose the desired operating system. I am running Windows, so I am going to select this option. Wait for the installer to download, then run it. Once the installation starts, make sure the option Use WSL2 instead of Hyper-V is selected. Then click OK. Now we wait until the process finishes. It may take a few minutes, so we're going to skip ahead. When you see the Installation Successful message, click Close and restart your computer. After the restart, it's time to check that Docker Desktop is running properly. Double-click the icon and wait for the program to load. On the initial screen, you can create an account if you want, or press the Skip button. The first launch may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it starts, make sure that in the bottom left corner you can see the message Engine Running. That's it. Docker Desktop is now installed. Now let's move to the second part. Installing N8N. First, create a folder on your computer where you want to install N8N. Open File Explorer, go to that folder, press the Shift key and right-click. Choose Open PowerShell window here. Before running the install command, we need to create a YML file that will act as the configuration file. The name of the file should be docker-compose. All the details about what this file must contain are provided in the description of this video. Don't forget to set the username and password that you want to use for logging into N8N after the installation. Once the file is saved, switch back to the PowerShell window and run this command. This will start the N8N installation. It will take a few minutes, but the process is usually fast. To check that the installation was successful, run the command docker-ps. You should see something similar to this. Now, N8N should be visible in the Docker Desktop dashboard. The green dot means it is running. Click on it, scroll down until you find the localhost link, click, and a new window will open in your web browser. You will need to create an account. Unlike Docker Desktop, this step is mandatory. Enter the required information and continue to the next screens. Once you reach the main screen, go to the top left corner, click on this button and create your first flow. And that's it. You successfully installed and ran N8N on your local computer. Now you are ready to create your own automations. For automation ideas, workflows and business hacks, don't forget to like, share and follow.